Hi, I'm George Woodbury from College of the Sequoias in Visalia, California, and this is the first of a series of videos having to do with applications of linear equations, word problems that lead to linear equations. The first one involves geometry. The length of a rectangle is 3 inches more than the width. If the length and width are each increased by 4 inches, the perimeter will be 5 times the length of the original rectangle. Find the dimensions of the original rectangle. Well, first we have two unknowns, the length and the width of the original rectangle. And we're told that the length is 3 inches more than the width. So if we let the width be represented by x, 3 inches more than that would be x plus 3. The second sentence begins, if the length and width are each increased by 4 inches, so if we increase each of these by 4, we're going to add 4 to those. The length can now be represented of this new rectangle by x plus 7. For the width, that's going to be x plus 4. After the comma, this is where the equation is going to come from. It says the perimeter will be 5 times the length of the original rectangle. So perimeter is or equals 5 times the original length. And so if I fill in expressions for the perimeter and the original length, I'll have an equation all in terms of x that I can solve. First, the perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width of this new rectangle. So that's going to be 2 times x plus 7, 2 times the new length, plus 2 times the new width, 2 times the quantity x plus 4, and that's going to equal 5 times the original length, which was x plus 3. So when we solve this equation, and we know how to solve this equation at this point, we're going to come back to the table of unknowns and figure out the original length and width. Those are the dimensions of the original rectangle. So we'll begin by distributing 2x plus 14. Distribute the second 2. 2 times x plus 4 is 2x plus 8. On the right-hand side, we'll distribute the 5 to x plus 3. That's going to be 5x plus 15. Combine like terms on the left. 2x plus 2x is 4x. 14 plus 8 is 22. So we have 4x plus 22 equals 5x plus 15. Let's collect the variables on the on the right-hand side. I'll subtract 4x from both sides of the equation. That gets me to 22 equals x plus 15. Subtract 15 from both sides to isolate x, and we end up with x equals 7. Now we go back to that original table. The length is going to be 7 plus 3, or 10 inches. And the width, which was just x, that's going to be 7 inches. So the original dimensions are 10 inches and 7 inches.